Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Arceus on your personal computer. To begin, you will need a Nintendo Switch emulator, along with the game's digital files and essential system data. A computer with at least 8 GB of RAM and a strong processor is highly recommended for the best experience. We will walk through each step, from selecting the right software to configuring your controls, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable adventure in the Hisui region. Choosing the right emulator is your first crucial step. Yuzu and Ryujinx are two leading open-source options for playing Nintendo Switch games on your PC. Yuzu is often praised for its ease of use and wide game compatibility, making it a great starting point. Ryujinx, on the other hand, frequently delivers excellent performance and can sometimes run games that Yuzu struggles with, offering a solid alternative for many titles. Next, you will need the game's digital file, commonly known as a ROM, which is usually an XCI or NSB format. Additionally, you must obtain the Nintendo Switch's firmware and unique product keys. It is important to legally acquire these files by dumping them from your own Nintendo Switch console. This ensures you have the necessary components to run the game properly and ethically on your emulator. With your emulator and files ready, install the emulator and then place the firmware and key files into their designated folders within the emulator's directory. For optimal performance, navigate to the graphics settings and select Vulkan as your API, if available. Finally, configure your input by mapping your preferred controller or your keyboard and mouse to the in-game actions. Now you are ready to launch Pokémon Arceus and begin your adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.